Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing here? It is the 23rd of February. We're going to be finishing out the week, finishing out the month. All right, at the end of the day at the end of the week on Friday. Um, what do we got? We got a mixed bag here. We got the futures closed at 689.43. Trading at 686 now. We're about $2 and change lower this morning coming in here. Nasdaq a little heavier, not too much. That was down about 143 points earlier. Let's take a look at that one now. I saw like 143 down. We're down 148 now. All right, so Nasdaq a little lower here this morning too. We look at the SPX. I got numbers for you there. To the upside, my resistance number is going to be at 69.40, guys. 69.40. Looks like we closed around 69.09. All right. To the downside, I got you at support levels of 67.70. 67.70 coming back down. Cold in Chicago this morning, folks. Back down to 20 degrees here. Just not fun. All right. So that's kind of what we got. Diamonds. Let's see what we got on the diamonds here. Not much. All right, I'm watching them. I'm kind of watching them here. Not too much really happening. Diamonds, where are you? 493. We closed at 496.08, so we're about $2 and change lower here. 493.88. We did break our resistance number on the other day here. We broke our 491.78, right? And then we came back up a little bit. So we're still hovering above that number. All right. And what do we have today that's kind of interesting? And I don't know if it's interesting or not, but we have outside days here on the futures. Okay. I thought we had Q. I thought we had SPY. Let's. All right, diamonds. There's your outside day. Okay. And triple Qs. Got the outside day today, so looking for the. Am I getting bad intel here? Q's telling me that we were outside on the day. Okay, there it is. Maybe I can't see. I keep looking down here because I keep changing it. All right, so there's your outside day today. All right, so we got we got a little bit of movement on that. We'll see if those things can go into force by any stretch. All right, day we did not get outside. We couldn't get the lower low. All right. A couple names here this morning. Nvidia's spending more money, but it's up about it's up very, very small here. All right, not much to talk about. Google as well. Google, Nvidia is starting to get a little better here now as we get closer. All right, after the 7:30 move, we've made a little bit of move. I don't think we had some CPI numbers coming out this morning too. So I'm starting to see the futures lift a little bit here back up. I see that dollar coming back down, and that old VIX closed at 2040. All right, so keep an eye on that one as well. A lot of macro out there, guys. Try to just not listen to it. All right, so we're gonna have more of this, more tariff garbage, and then we got the Iran. What's gonna happen there? So just a lot of things that just cause a lot of drama and also causes just a lot of anxiety as well. All right, so cool the macro. Okay, all right. So there's your Nvidia, and then we'll look at the Google. Not much going on there either. All right, Google. Where are we at here? Coming back up again now, just a little bit as we flipped after 7:30. Something came out. I think it was CPI. All right, so back up here now, just 316.50, slightly higher now. All right, we closed at basically 315. We're trading up about $1.52 higher here. All right, but does that take day up at 316.73? Not yet, but it's very close. All right, so Google looking like they can probably maybe take the day up here. I want to continue you guys to impress on you that watch the weeklies, especially on the lag 7, and we'll go through them real quick here. Here is the weeks. All right, so Google could take week up. All right, 316.81. All right, 368. So it looks like it could, if it takes day up, it's going to trigger with week. All right, so you got that going on there. Oh, and the Google, and then you got NVIDIA. Just looking at the weeklies now, guys. All right, 2 inside here. All right, so if you want to get out of the previous week's highs, you're going to have to get up to 194 and change. We'll see if that can happen. All right. Apple's kind of stuck inside. All right, so we're going to be looking at the 2-1 here on Apple. Right here on the 2-1 on the week. All right, so going to have to get above 266.90, and we're trading at 262.60 right now, coming back inside a little bit. All right, that was another big outside day as well. All right, so Apple, there you go. Tesla a little weaker this morning. Tesla's 407 from 411. So coming back down, this is going to be a 212 back downer. It's not quite breaking the day back down here. Even there, it doesn't still get the job done. All right, so to break that, you're going to have to get through 405.50. All right, so hovering above $2 above that. Let's see if Tesla can hold. All right, let's get that. It's going to be 2-1, and more importantly, there is your week. We'll see. All right, we still got problems on the month, guys. We still got problems on the month. All right, but the month is waning, and it's losing power every minute. All right, so there's your Tesla. Amazon got a good shot at taking the week here too. Pretty close. Had a nice day on Friday. Nice move to the upside. Every time it gets up, it fails. So I'm still cautious. If it takes it up on if they take these weeks up on a Monday, I would still chill with it, man. I would still chill with it a little bit. We'll see if that can hold. All right, I'm not 100% sold on all that. All right, and Microsoft. Yeah, they've been down forever, and yeah, they're da-da-da-da-da. There's your 2-day on Microsoft, just real flat. Going to be hard to get out of this mess anyway. You're looking at it right now. Where we at here right now? 395.68. I think if you get through 404 and you hover there, then you're going to go up to the mess up at 423 that you're going to have to deal with. All right, so there's a lot of pitfalls as we continue to move forward on, especially on Microsoft. All right, so that's the lag 7. That's what I'm thinking about here this morning. Got a couple of movers here this morning. Domino's Pizza, DPZ closed up $20 and change, guys. All right, so nice move on Domino's Pizza this morning. We're going to be at 404. You got a gapper coming back up here. All right, on a beat. All right, so we'll see if Domino's Pizza can hold those gains up. All right, so we'll see with that one. I show my Merck is moving here a little bit this morning. Popped up here, Merck, all of a sudden. Now it's starting to dribble drab back down. So it's been fighting up in this mess here. So not getting out of this really out of tight there at all. 123.99 would take all of this out, but it is dropped back inside. So right now, I can't really tell where it's trading at right now. All right, not much to take out. We don't have much to go on there. All right, so even if you take the day up on the 2-2 back up, you're still you got kind of a mess up here. Now, month is beautiful, right? You got the 2-2 up to start the year. This is real nice. Where's healthcare? Where's XLV? Okay, where's XLV? All right, 2-1 inside, can't get going. All right, so the group, Lily's a little better this morning too. All right, so there's your Lily. That was a shooter. That's shooter down on month, and then goes outside on the day on Lily. All right, and she's trading at 1044, slightly higher from 1009. All right, so healthcare. You know, what's to say? All right, there they are. XLV just really can't get the group going. I think the insurers have been an issue. There's United Healthcare, which this morning here, 288.29, closed at 220, or sorry, at 290. We closed at. We're about $2 lower from that one. And then you got Cigna. There you go with your Cigna on your red day here. Coming back down on the overnight, was higher, 283. What are we, 285, 278, so we're moving back down to the downside. All right, 279.28, somewhere in this range in here. All right, so looks like we look to possibly take day down on that one, but right now going to be inside day. I'm not going to go through. I like that Molina, MOH. MOH has been good. This has been a winner, and there's been no denying it. But look at this, all this, and you still can't get that month right. So I would still wait on Molina. A couple of the bigger ones here. We'll go to Amgen, right? Amgen, what do we got there? We got the 2 up on Friday, a little bit better. Healthcare mess over here. Can't really tell what's going on. And 2 up on the month, so strong here. A lot of consolidation, so it could break either way here. Okay, 2 weeks of resting. I don't know how this thing comes out. All right, but right now, 374.28, 374.28. We're going to be inside on that water. All right, maybe they do it. Maybe sit for another week, right? Why not? All right, so that is kind of, and then let's go through some of the groups here. All right, so XRT retail, not much, man. Big outside day and a ton of room for Sneaky Pete to get all over the place. All right, he's running the party here, Sneaky Pete today. All right, so tons of room to get in anywhere. 88.37 here right now, trading 88.8, 88.03. We're going to be slightly in here. All right, so we're going to be looking to open somewhere inside this. We're going to be 3-1 stuck inside in a big one there. All right, so stuck inside for sure. All right, and then we look at XLF. It's just a mixed bag, man. This thing too, you know. I like the 3-1 setup on the week. You know, I'd like to get the month better here right now. We'll see what happens. Robinhood's a little lower this morning. We got HIMS is going to report after the close today. Keep an eye on HIMS. 1608 now, starting to move up a little bit higher. HIMS and hers. All right. So this thing's been murdered, as you can see. Don't be the first guy to buy this thing, okay? Do not be the first guy to buy that one. Let the other guy say, no, you go. No, you go. No, you go. All right, don't do that. All right, don't do that. Just sit tight. We're coming into a Monday. We're coming into the last week of the month. A short month. A lot of drama. Okay, news can scare you out of your positions. All right, sit tight. All right, sit tight. Keep your stops in there. And again, I think we get through March, and I don't know if it gets any better. I don't know even if we do something with Iran, is it good news? No matter what happens, we could get a spike in oil. So that's kind of the biggest fear that you probably have about this Iran business. All right. And Uke goes up again to this morning. All right, so crude back up a little bit here. Energy's been really good. 2-1 inside. Oil keeps getting smashed out every time it gets down now, but this is how we kind of finished here. So this was all gap. All right, so this has carried a lot of ground here, and now we got the insider 25.17 closed at 24.89. 25.17 is going to take that 212 back up. I mean, I think it's like gold and silver, just below long gold, silver, and oil, right? For the end game. All right, we'll see. All right, but a little bit better there right now on crude. All right, crude moving up a little bit higher, and then we'll take a look at XLE. XLE, what do we got there? All right, so we came back down. It's been kind of falling apart a little bit here with the 3122 back down. So where's she at now? 54.91. All right, 54.91, your inside day on XLE. No hurry here at all. So the lag 7, watch them on the weeklies. I still like Nike. Buy Nike on weakness coming back down. All right, to watch for the Nike to come back down on weakness. If you can get anywhere, if you can get down to 63 handle, that's nice. All right, anywhere in that 63 handle, I think it would be all right. I think it's safe there. We got this open door. We got this one on Friday. Made a nice move to the upside, but then kind of they took some profits. So they finally got the thing up. Okay, because this thing has been down, as you can see. All right, so it's kind of reversed here now. If the month turns green and we get out of this mess, this thing might go higher. Okay, open might just got to watch the options on that one. All right, it's good option action on that one. All right, so I don't have too much more. All right, we know where the futures are. We just ran up a little bit, and now we're pulling back down. I think we continue to chop. More tariff stuff and all this garbage. All right, so try to turn the noise down. And don't look at the internet so much. Okay, that's really my biggest. That's my big one right there. I try not to go on at all during the day. All right, so Home Depot is showing me right now down 0.84 cents. Nothing going on, man. Pretty quiet. Nasdaq's lower. The futures are all lower. Fear. We're not going to play into that. We're going to watch the charts, and we're going to keep an eye on what goes on. All right, so I will get to you another email. I will get you another video today. Just don't know what time yet. All right, so sit tight, be cool, don't get crazy, and don't let these things make you afraid. Okay, who knows what's going to happen? It's crazy. All right, so sit tight. All right, be good.